In this video, I'm going to show you 5 completely different ways that you can redirect your affiliate link. Now, the web page that goes along with this video is the URL that you see on your screen right now. It goes into complete detail with step-by-step instructions on these different ways of redirecting your links, whether they be affiliate links or other types of links. There's basically PHP redirecting, HTACCESS redirecting of links, and JavaScript redirecting of affiliate links, and a couple of different ways to do each of them. The first one we're going to discuss is using a simple PHP redirect. First off, you should know that PHP is probably the ideal way to do a redirect. HTACCESS ranks right up there. JavaScript is probably the least preferred method. The first PHP method I'm going to show you is a simple header location redirect. It involves making a web page with this one single simple line of code. All you do is take a blank text editor page like Notepad, paste that line of code in there all by itself, of course, with this URL right here being where you want to redirect to. So if your affiliate link, you put it in there. You save it. You have to save it with the .php extension. And then when you want to, if it's, for example, your affiliate link, you just make your affiliate link to that web page, and then that web page is automatically going to redirect to whatever you put for the redirect. I will show you now how it works. Show it to you in action. And there it is, simple redirect using PHP. Second method of PHP redirection is the same, with the difference that it allows you to include a pause before the redirect occurs. This is usually, let's say, if you want to display a message to your user, or you want a certain amount of time to go by so it can allow for something in the background to happen. The syntax is a little bit different. You see refresh :3. The number 3 is the number of seconds pause. You can change that to whatever number you want, and then URL equals the web address you want to be redirected to. You take that, you save that in a blank page of Notepad or text edit if you're in Mac, and again, maybe you want to display a message to your user while they are waiting to be redirected, but you don't have to. Again, save that with a .php extension. And here we are, 3-second pause, and we're redirected to Google. Now, this third method of redirecting via PHP I like the best. It's a bit more complex, but I just think it's better overall. There's 2 parts to it. What this does is makes it so you can have an affiliate link without your website visitor knowing that it's an affiliate link. Even the search engines won't know it's an affiliate link. This method actually comes with a kit that allows you to create the 2 parts of code required for this to work. This is the web page for that right here. It's called the Ultimate Completely Hide Affiliate Links via PHP Kit with full step-by-step instructions. A little more complex, but I'm sure you can do it, and it's well worth the effort. What this entails is 2 parts. The first part is actually the link itself. There's no way anybody's going to know it's an affiliate link. I don't know if you could see the status bar area here. Normally when you your mouse over a link, in the status bar you can see where that link goes. In this example, what I did is I make it look like it's going to the website 7secretsforchiseledabs.com. No indication that it's an affiliate link. Click on it and it is going to navigate to the affiliate link. That is the affiliate URL for the website. Very sneaky, almost impossible to detect method, hiding your affiliate links. And again, the form which shows you how to do this exactly step by step is on this page right here, and the URL web address for this. But basically, there's 2 parts. There's the link itself, specialized way to set it up so it's undetectable as an affiliate link, and then there's the PHP code, which accomplishes the redirection in the background. Again, absolutely impossible for anybody to know for sure it's an affiliate link, simply because it's PHP code, which is processed on the web server. There's no way Google or search engines or anybody can see exactly what that code is or what it does. Highly recommended method of doing this. There's also a video that accompanies this method, which is on YouTube, and The web address for that video can be found both on this web page and on YouTube as well, and I highly recommend you check it out. The next method we're going to discuss is HTACCESS redirect. This is a very popular way of doing it. Two types of HTACCESS redirects. There's a 301 redirection, which is permanent. It's essentially telling search engines that the redirection to this new web page is permanent. It's good whether you have a web page that has been on the internet for a while, it's built up some following, some backlinks, and you don't want to lose those SEO benefits. So instead of deleting the old web page and making a new web page, create the new web page, redirect the old web page to the new web page, and you would use 301 redirection. In the case of affiliate links, this is a perfect method of redirection because the supposed link you're redirecting from, or the supposed URL you're redirecting from, doesn't even have to exist. You can make up an entirely fictitious URL. To use this, again, it comes with a web tool that is on our website, which is right here. Again, the web address for this tool for creating an HTACCESS redirect, whether it be 301 or 302. By the way, a 302 redirect, the most common reason for a 302 redirect, say you're working on a web page and you don't want visitors going there, so you create a temporary redirect from that page that you're working on to some other web page until you have finished working on the web page, and then you can remove the redirect command from your HTACCESS file. This here also allows you to create a properly syntaxed 301 or 302 HTACCESS redirect. This web page here also discusses about using and messing with your HTACCESS file and how to do it in the proper manner so you don't make your website explode. It is not complicated to do, but you do want to do it right. Okay, the next method we're discussing here is a JavaScript redirector. There's two basic methods. Well, three sort of. The first one is a simple location redirect in JavaScript. If you're not familiar with JavaScript at all, the code for it is right here. And you just replace this web address with wherever you want the redirect to go. And again, you can put this in a notepad all by itself. And the one advantage to this method is you can name the web page HTML, PHP, whatever you wish. The code does not have to be on a page all by itself. You can put this script anywhere, a WordPress blog post that you wish as well. For this example, I'm doing it like this. Well, again, we'll change this to Google for our example. Put it to the web server. And there we go. Immediately redirected to Google. The second JavaScript method is similar to the second PHP redirection method in that you can put a pause in there if you wish. Again, the great thing about the JavaScript redirect is you can put it in an existing blog post, stick it anywhere in the page you want. It's a timed redirect, and we'll put the URL google.com. So you could put whatever URL you want, including your affiliate link. And this number here, 3000, that's the number of milliseconds redirect. 1,000 milliseconds equals 3 seconds, so it's a 3-second redirect. If you wanted a 5-second redirect, you change that to 5 seconds, or a 1-second redirect, 1,000. Again, that's important to note and remember that, because I don't think you want your website visitors sitting there waiting for 3,000 seconds. Why don't we once again put in a message, the heck of it. That to the web server, and we're going to have a 3-second pause, and then it's going to redirect to Google. Final method, and the most complicated but the most flexible. This is a really sneaky way, just like that PHP sneaky way of doing a redirect. This is a real sneaky way of doing a JavaScript redirect. What this method entails is JavaScript code. You make a link, goes to wherever you want. Let's say you're doing an affiliate link to sixpackabs.com. You don't want your website visitors to know that it's an affiliate link they're clicking on. You make the ref of the link, or the URL of the link, directly to the website without the affiliate link, sixpackabs.com, and the JavaScript code actually waits for the mouse to be pressed down on the web page, then checks to see if it's being pressed down on a link. If it's being pressed down on a link, it then checks the URL of the link being pressed down on. If URL of the link matches what is in the JavaScript code, then the JavaScript code quickly, before the person even gets a chance to lift the mouse button up, changes the ref or URL of that link. When they lift the mouse button up and release it, a click event is generated and they are taken to the affiliate link without them being the wiser. And I'm going to demonstrate this method in action. The full source code for that is on this page. Really sneaky. As far as I know, I sort of invented this method, making a very basic, overly simplistic web page just to demonstrate this. And when you use this, don't forget to put the script tags around it like I'm doing now. And what we'll do here is we'll create a link. And I'm going to hyperlink Google. If you're looking at the JavaScript code, these are the two lines you want to edit or change. URL that's clicked equals, change that to whatever you want it to be. Again, for this example, I'm using Google. This is what the link is going to be when the person puts their mouse over it before they press their mouse button down. Link here, your affiliate URL, that is going to be your affiliate link or whatever link you wish to be swapped when the mouse button is pressed down. Again, when you make this link here, you want the URL to be exactly what this is. You notice there's a slash at the end. If you don't have that, this isn't going to work. It's got to be exact. URL for your link has to be exactly the same as what's in the quotes here. Again, you can make it anything you want. We'll save this, show you a demonstration. If you view the source code, keep the JavaScript here. Now, when you go to the tutorial for this, it advises you to obfuscate the code. Obfuscate basically means make it completely unreadable. And there's a link you can go to so you can do that on the tutorial. Code obfuscator. Source code here, obfuscate. Nobody's going to be able to read that and know what it does. Would actually put this code into the web page. For the sake of this demonstration, I am using the raw source code unobfuscated, but you want to obfuscate it to keep it hidden from people. Show you how it works. View in action. Down here, when I put my mouse over the link, it says google.com. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mouse down on this link, but I'm going to pull the mouse away from the link when I mouse up so the code doesn't execute. A click event never takes place. Watch, I'm going to press down. Look at that. See how it was swapped now to the affiliate link because of the mouse down? Most people, all people are not going to do that. They're just going to put their mouse over it, see, oh, it's a link that goes to Google. They're going to click it. It's going to swap instantly, and voila, they go to your affiliate link. Probably the sneakiest method of all